The Nature Club Summer Camp was a blend of exciting activities, learning experiences, and eco-friendly fun. The camp began the day with a moment of reflection and gratitude as participants gathered for a heartfelt prayer. Participants engaged in a variety of activities, starting with the creation of seed pens, where they learned about sustainable alternatives to traditional writing instruments. Penning the Future aimed to tackle waste generation by promoting the use of paper pens, which not only reduce waste but also embedded seeds for a greener tomorrow. The next activity was inspired by the remarkable work of Rakesh Khatri, known as the Nest Man of India, who selflessly provides homes for countless birds. In his honor, campers were invited to create bird nests, fostering a deeper appreciation for wildlife conservation and habitat preservation. To refresh themselves after a day of exploration and adventure, campers enjoyed cool buttermilk, providing a nutritious and hydrating break from the summer heat. In addition to these creative end zones, campers enjoyed a series of small games that promoted teamwork and outdoor enjoyment. The highlight of the camp was a prize distribution ceremony, where winners were awarded buns of grapes creatively presented in areca nut sheaths. Overall, the Natural Club Summer Camp was a resounding success, offering participants a unique blend of hands-on learning and creativity.